Hi, I'm Tammy Lewis, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and today we're going to take a look at our newest home for sale at 247 Oshawa Boulevard South. Here we are in the bright living room, the center hub of this home, with access to the family-sized eat-in kitchen and your 2 bedrooms. Check out this family-sized kitchen. Plenty of cupboard space, all the charms of yesteryear, and access to a porch with plenty of storage and door to your yard. Now that we're in the fully fenced backyard, you can see all the opportunity. Access to the single car garage, plenty of space for entertaining, and a beautiful deck. Thank you for touring this wonderful home with me at 247 Oshawa Boulevard South. If you'd like further information on this home or to book a personal showing, call the number above. And to be kept up to date on all our newest listings, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.